Mm. Oh my God.
Nice to make it dark at night.
Oh wow. My goodness.
Yes, you are.
Oh.
Yeah. Gloria. There's a song about Gloria.
Whoa. God. Man.
Stop it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, man.
Man, it's like comedy. I'm weak.
That's terrible. Jeez, Christ. God,
I'm literally cracking up.
oh. That TV. God, man, please stop that loud. Yeah, that sounds well good. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, ain't that heaven?
It's
Whew.
awesome.
God,
Look,
other than that. Oh, what is this at?
it's a GIF. 65 new days and 360. You know, the pictures and images of things.
Yeah. Oh, GIF. Is that what they? I didn't even know that. Did you know?
These are GIFs. These things.
So that's why when your phone says GIF, you click it on there and you can find them.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I didn't know this. I've seen where's the GIF at over Texas.
Well, you say like.
It'll say GIF.
But you gotta send it. I already said that.
Yeah.
You gotta send it, and then it'll pop up and see.
That's fucking neat. Just keep on teaching me, Mom, will you? You too, buddy. You too, buddy.
I'm just gonna scratch. I'm not doing this. I don't feel it.
See what it was.
Maybe I can download the lottery app.
That's a wedding
Let's
thing.
see.
You got a wedding thing on it. I need to tell you how much.
Download the lottery app, Ohio.
I'm done. Shit.